Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fish game in Scratch. First, let's set up our game. Pick an ocean backdrop and add your main fish character. Then, introduce smaller fish or food items for your main fish to eat. Make sure to adjust their sizes so they look natural in your underwater world. This initial setup is crucial for a fun and engaging game experience. Next, let's get your main fish moving. You can program it to follow your mouse pointer, which offers a simple and intuitive control method. Or, for more traditional gameplay, use the arrow keys to guide your fish around the screen. Whichever you choose, focus on making the movement feel smooth and responsive, so players can easily navigate and enjoy the game. Now, let's add some delicious food for your fish. We'll make food sprites appear randomly on the screen using clones. When your main fish touches a food item, we'll detect that collision. The food will then disappear and your score will increase. This mechanic is key to making the game engaging and rewarding as players try to eat as much as possible. Finally, let's add a scoring system and a game over condition. We'll create a variable to keep track of how many food items your fish eats. You can also set a timer, so the game ends after a certain duration, perhaps 60 seconds. When the game concludes, display the player's final score. This adds a competitive element and encourages players to improve their high scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.